Everyone, I'm Jeremy with Integra Christmas Lights. So I was up here installing some lights on this building, and I got to thinking, everybody always asks us, how much do you charge? Well, our price depends on the difficulty of installation, the linear feet, the type of bulbs used. These are RGBs, so these are programmable lights. They change colors, red, green, blue. They chase, flash, blink, all that good stuff. And then we've got our basic C9 bulbs that we use. But so to answer your question, how much do we charge? It just depends. Our minimum pricing is $350. We also do wreaths, garland, and we wrap trees, bushes, all that good stuff. And this is early September, I think September 8th today. But we're already getting calls for estimates. People trying to get ahead of the rush. So if you need an estimate for Christmas lights, give us a call. We'll get out there as soon as possible.